a set of 4 Otis Tractions at Myer at Emporium, Melbourne. One of them is out of service. This one's out of service. Which one is it? Really don't want to be filming other people. Otis plate. Okay. Popping, are you going up? Okay. Thanks, have a nice day.
Oh, have fun.
Learn the video on ground.
6.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, bud. You too.
Thank you. You guys going down?
Yeah.
That's the way. Sorry. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll do a cab for you before we get out.